what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the Nasty Nate channel. We're about to see Cody run his all stock LBZ with some big tunes on this thing. So we are wondering what kind of horsepower he's making. We're watching the Dur Yacht right now. Oh, they're about to ghetto fog it. We gotta catch this. Huge shout out to Cody, Hood Billy LBZ, for bringing me to Scheid's this week. The old single cab is down, but we got to ride in the crew cab short bed on the 16-inch weld daggers. I think it's 16 by 10s or 16 by 9s. This thing looks rowdy, but he's about to throw it up on the dyno. And like I said, he's got big tunes. He checked over everything this morning, and we got to drive this thing back 3 hours, so better not blow her up.
It's all right. Don't let him spray.
How are we gonna get home, boy?
Uber.
We'll be walking.
We're Ubering.
Maybe we'll catch a ride in the Dur Yacht. Stay tuned for this. It's gonna be sweet. What's she gonna make?
4 1/4.
4 1/4. You heard it here first. Stock LBZ. She gonna blow up. Did you check the boots?
I did.
Oh, you did. You're prepared.
I did.
Hell
Put
yeah.
hairspray on them? No.
You probably need some hairspray for that right there. What's the bumper? On our way here, he said, I got butterflies in my stomach. We're gonna blow her up. You tell him to run it to 4200?
4200. Take the head bolts out of it.
Stock motor LBZ, stock head bolts and all. He's got this thing tuned to run 4200 RPMs. The trans shift points are a little different. We're gonna see what she makes right now.
Still got the AC cranking too.
What'd she make?
Foot-pounds, 650 horsepower.
No. No way, dude. What?
How much power did you say? 650.
What is this? 646 horsepower.
646.
1400 torque. All stock
No
LBZ.
spray.
Nothing nothing done to it but a lift pump and tunes.
3,500. Can't do nothing about it. That's why I just sat there and held the front pedal on the floor because.
Well, it did,
Yeah,
it did
I
almost
heard it.
650 on stock air
Well,
fuel.
when you said he's hoping that it'll hit 500 on stock air and fuel, I'm thinking you probably ought to find a new tuner guy because pretty much stock Duramax will do almost 500.
Well, we're a bit over.
It takes fucking
told me-
one
he
click
told
and
me
you
to-
make up 500. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, reliably, I'm not saying much.
Yeah.
He did it trans safe, so I don't know. See.
Yeah, trans safe.
3,500 is all.
Hell yeah. Congrats to Cody for making 650 on an all stock LBZ. Stock trans. It's got a lift pump. Jesus. That is absolutely insane. If you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe to Nasty Nate. We got a ton of footage from Scheid coming at you. If you want to see more dyno stuff and anything here, make sure you stay tuned to Nasty Nate right here because we got it coming.